I need to find some training courses online for my employees, but everything here is so expensive.
Are you a small business owner? Are you tired of spending all your hard earned money on the resources you need to run your business? Do you lie awake at night thinking there has to be a cheaper way to get the information I need? At Gwinnett County Public Library, you have great and free resources at your fingertips. Resources include our business guide and YouTube pages, as well as Gale courses, Linda, and Treehouse. Our business guide and YouTube pages are free. Don't pay in hours and hours of research time. Let Gwinnett County Public Library do it for you. On average, a college course costs about $1,677. With Gale courses, you can take the classes that you need for free. Linda courses and Treehouse are great resources, but a subscription to either resource can cost up to $2,388 annually. Outrageous! With a library card, Linda and Treehouse are free.
With your GCPL library card, worry no more. That's right, no money down, 0 monthly payments, and $0 shipping and handling when you visit the Gwinnett County Public Library.
Wow, I have access now to Linda courses and Gale courses? Thanks,
All
GCPL.
this and more at your local library. Call now at this number or go to our website for more information.